Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to reinvest your dividends on Wealthsimple. Since Wealthsimple doesn't currently offer an automatic drip, we'll set up our own manual version. As you can see here, I've received a dividend about $16 from Brookfield. Now, instead of leaving that cash setting around, we can put it right back into the same stack. Just open the company's page in Wealthsimple. In this case, Brookfield. Make sure it allows fractional shares because that's what lets you reinvest exact amounts instead of buying whole shares. Now, instead of doing a market buy, switch to a fractional buy. Enter the exact dividend amount you receive, in my case $15, and hit buy. And just like that, your dividends are reinvested. This way, you're creating your own drip effect, reinvesting dividends into the same stock that paid them, helping grow your snowball of passive income over time. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.